Hi guys, this is Katie Bunschoten, the founder and CEO of Certum Solutions here in North Carolina, and I am going to go through how to set up your printer in QuickBooks Online for check stock. Okay, I just did another video, how to write a check in QuickBooks Online, and I was trying to keep it short, so I wanted to go ahead and kind of circle back to it so that we can see how you set up your printer if you're printing checks for the first time. So if you click New up here in the top left and you click on Print Checks, you're going to see a list of the checks that need to be printed. Now we just printed all of our checks on our last video. So we're just going to go down here to the Print Setup button and walk through this tutorial really quick. So you can select whether you use standard checks or voucher. Most of my clients use voucher checks. You can order checks from QuickBooks, but if you come to us, we'll give you a discount, and we'd love to hear from you anyway. The process here is pretty simple. You want to go ahead and load some blank paper in your printer first, and then you want to hit the preview button and print a sample. Okay, I'm not going to print this paper because I'm saving some trees, but you'll print this paper here, and you'll take a look at your alignment grid right here. Now, when your paper comes out, you're going to want to then hold it next to your check stock with, the light behind it or whatever, so you can kind of see how many boxes you're off. I'm going to go ahead and X out of there. And then you're going to hold on to that guy and you're going to walk to the next step. Now, if you don't have a PDF reader, you need to go ahead and do that. And again, you can hit the preview, print the sample, which we already had the option to do before. Then you want to fine tune your alignment here, okay? So when we said how many boxes is it off, every one of those boxes are like, it's about half or one. It's not like, I know it's supposed to be super easy. It's not a perfect art, so you might have to take a couple pieces of paper before you get through it. But you can add your adjustment here in these boxes, and then you print another sample and you see if it matches better than the one before. Once you have that perfect fit, you go ahead and hit Finish Setup, and there you are. You're done. You shouldn't have to do it again unless you access this from another computer. That's it. I managed to actually keep it under 3 minutes. If you have any questions, please like, subscribe to my channel, and comment on this video. I'm also putting a link into my Calendly if you have any specific questions about your particular situation with QuickBooks. Schedule a call and we'll go ahead and do a free 30-minute consultation to go through how we can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.